Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Laid Plans. Today I will be doing my birthday week plan with me. So this will go out the Wednesday before my birthday. My birthday is actually the 27th of April, which is a Saturday. And I was going to film this probably closer to this weekend. This is the week before. However, my internet service provider has decided that it's going to take over 6 hours to restore my service and counting. Yay. So I decided I'm going to use this time to be productive and start planning out next week. And I'm going to be doing one kit and 2 matching spreads. So you've seen me combine kits before. This week I really just wanted to use up this beautiful kit I bought from SammyLynnPlanning. My dogs have the zoomies. From SammyLynnPlanning. And I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I've got my favorite Disney princess here, and I bought the whole kit because I just think it's so cute. So I'm excited to get started using this. So we're going to be using this whole kit as much as I can. Since it's Sleeping Beauty, I had to use this Spring Cottage, or is it Summer Cottage? I can't remember which. It's one of the cottages, but it's the one that has Neuschwanstein. And obviously Neuschwanstein was the inspiration for Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty's castle. And so I thought that would be absolutely perfect for Sleeping Beauty. And then I also have the pink and blue plaid washi with this pretty argyle pattern. So I am going to be using these 2 washi from Simply Gilded. I've got crazy doggies, y'all. They don't mind that the Wi-Fi's out. So I have here my Skinny Classic and my Vertical Classic Happy Planner. And I am basically going to be splitting the different boxes and parts of the kit between these 2 spreads. I'm going to obviously be using probably more for my main spread of the Classic Vertical, but I did want to coordinate it with the spread here. So I do think that I am going to be using one of these in my Skinny Classic, and I think that I am going to use this one here because I just like that she's got her crown and everything, and I think it'll work out really pretty. So I'm just going to take this and put it aside. Just so I have that. And I think I'll just go ahead and put it down. My birthday is the 27th, so we'll go ahead and put it right here. Sometimes I plan around a sticker, sometimes I plan them on washi. I just kind of do what tickles my fancy, but I liked the idea of having Princess Aurora here on my birthday. So that's the start for my Skinny Classic. I'm going to set that aside, and we're going to go to my Vertical. And the first thing that I want to do is go to the sticker kit. Anytime I have a sticker kit that has washi like this, that is going to be laid out, I want to figure out where I'm going to put that first and go ahead and install it. So we've got some thinner washi here, and then we have some big washi. I am usually a fan of doing the larger washi toward the end. I think I'm going to put it in the middle this time though. So let me get that off here, and I'm going to lay it down through here, these 2, the crown and the ring. So here is that washi down, and then I feel like I'm going to use these to cover up the top here where the dates are. All right, so I have that covered, and the reason why I'm okay with covering it is when you get these larger kits, they always have the date covers with them and numbers. So I'm just going to be putting those down. I'm not ready to do that just yet because I do want to use washi. So for the washi for the top part here, I'm going to use this pink and blue plaid, like argyle. I just think it'll look really cute, so that's next. So the next piece of washi I want to add is the castle washi. So I have the castle right here, and then I have like the little village. I only want the castle to show up once, so this is where I'm just going to add this washi for effect. So I'm going to just trim that and have that line up. And that is the washi that I am using on this one. So now that I've done the washi on this, I want to go ahead and show you how I'll do coordinating washi here. With a Skinny Classic, I tend to be a little more sparse with washi and minimal with decoration. There's not a lot of room. There's definitely more room to write, I think, under each like weekday than with something like a dashboard layout. I tried dashboard. I tried so hard. It never happened. It doesn't work for me. But I do really like the idea of having some coordinating washi. So I think maybe I'll do like this. Returning to the Neuschwanstein Castle washi, I'm gonna put that along the bottom here. And now that is the washi I am using for my Skinny Classic. So it's just going to be that amount there, and the rest is going to be stickers. So I'm going to put this aside, and we're going to return to the main one now. And now that we have the washi down, I can go ahead and add my date stickers across the top and the days of the week. So I'm not going to show you me putting those down because it's kind of self-evident. Basically, they're just going to go where they would go, and then I have a place to put each of the numbers. So that is next, and then we'll return and do our boxes and different things for the week. All right, so I have all of my days of the week up here down, so that's all set. Now I am ready to place boxes, and so I like to always try and place them in sort of the order that I think that they would go in terms of the story. So I'm gonna do Maleficent for Monday. I feel like that's appropriate. Also, can I just say, while I'm putting these down, I am super happy that Aurora is getting her